Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to send large videos on Gmail in just a few simple steps. To send a large video file via Gmail, first open Google Drive on your mobile. Tap the plus icon. Tap on Upload. I'm uploading a small video file so it doesn't take much time, but you can use this method to upload large files too. The video file has been uploaded. Now, tap the three dots on the right side of the video. Tap on Share. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on Manage Access. Change Restricted to Anyone. Now, copy the link. Go back and open Gmail. Tap on Compose. Write the email here. In the subject line, write the title. In the Compose box, paste the video link that you copied from Google Drive. Tap Send, and that's it. How to send large videos on Gmail. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.